Welcome to QuoCentric. Imagine a world where alarm clocks become obsolete, where rush hour traffic is simply a choice, not a daily ordeal. Picture a life where the confines of a cubicle do not dictate your worth, and the time on the clock doesn't rule your day. This is not a distant utopia, but a reality within reach. Welcome to the era of making money online. The daily dance of clocking in, clocking out. The constant tug-of-war between duties at work and at home. The endless cycle of deadlines, meetings, and performance reviews. The race to climb the corporate ladder, always one step behind. The little time left to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Sound familiar? This is the reality for many, but it doesn't have to be yours. A revolution in the way we earn, where your income isn't tied to the hours you work, but the value you create. Here's how it works, step by step. First, you select a product you believe in, something you can champion with conviction. This is the cornerstone of affiliate marketing. Welcome to QuoCentric. Second, you use the ABS Affiliate Business System, a done-for-you system to set up your very own online platform. No need for technical skills or coding knowledge. The done-for-you system takes care of the nuts and bolts, leaving you free to focus on what matters, your message. Third, you share your very own domain and your unique affiliate business far and wide. Every click, every sale made through your link adds to your earnings. Fourth, you watch as your efforts translate into income. Unlike a traditional job, there's no ceiling to what you can earn. Your income reflects your impact, not your hours worked. The traditional 9-to-5 job, while stable, often limits your potential. The ABS done-for-you system, on the other hand, allows you to break free from these constraints. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money online, leveraging the vast reach of the internet. There's no need for a physical store, no need to clock in or out, no need to answer to a boss. You are your own boss. The potential for making money online is immense. It's not just about the income, but the freedom it affords. The freedom to work when and where you want. The freedom to choose your own path, the freedom to live life on your own terms. So here's a toast to the entrepreneurs, to the dreamers and the doers, to those who dare to step out of the 9-to-5 grind, to those who choose to carve their own way. Welcome to the era of making money online. This is your time, make it count. Visit the first link below the video for more information and to register to participate in the upcoming live demo event at 9 p.m. Eastern on Monday, October 23rd. And you can click the second link at 9 p.m. Eastern Monday night for a direct link to the live demo event itself to learn how to get started today.